Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone. Today we all are here to present our art integrated project on the topic laws of motion. So it is very important to know about inertia before we state Newton's second law of motion. So inertia is the resistance of a body to oppose any change. Let us take an example to make the definition clearer. For example, if we have a ball at rest, it will always wants to be at rest, and if we have a ball in motion, it will always wants to be in motion. So something which is at rest will always wants to be at rest, and something which is in motion will always wants to be in motion. So now as we are clear of inertia, it is convenient for us to move further with the Newton's first law of motion.
According to the Newton's first law of motion, a body is unable to change its position unless any external force is applied to it. For an example, I have take a car. The car is not moving because there is no external parameter which make it useful to move. If I apply force to it, therefore the car moves. So the external force is an example of Newton's laws of motion.
Now let us start with the Newton's second law. We saw that in Newton's first law, net force is equal to 0, but in Newton's second law, net force is not equal to 0. Before stating the second law, we should know that what is momentum. Momentum is the quantity of motion contained in a body. As we are clear of what is momentum, it is convenient for us to understand the second law, which states that force is equal to the rate of change of momentum. For example, here we take one lighter body and one heavier body. We have to apply more force to the heavier body, and we have to apply less force to lift the lighter body. From here we can conclude that greater the mass, greater will be the force applied, lesser the mass, lesser will be the force applied.
Now let us explain Newton's third law of motion. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So we have taken four marbles tied with a string. अगर हम इस पे एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो यहाँ से रिएक्शन मिलता है उतनी फोर्स का जो उस पे फोर्स मिलाता है. तो ये न्यूटन का थर्ड लॉ टू एवरी